I'm Russell. I'm an instructor at Auto Collision Repair and Refinishing at the College of Technology, and I've been with the school about 24 years. The program is a 2-year program, and that's if a student chooses to do both the painting and the collision repair side. If they just do one or the other, it's a technical certificate. It's an advanced technical certificate if they do both, and then they have the opportunity to get an associate degree also. I loved being a technician. And so teaching auto collision gives me a chance to help others learn how to use their hands and make critical decisions. Every time you fix a car or anything, you have to decide what is the right way to do this, what's the correct way. And so that's very satisfying to see people round the bend or make the corner when they can start making those decisions and be able to become a technician. There are 5 auto body programs in the state of Idaho. Why ISU instead of the other 4? We think our secret to success is that we have what we call live work. We actually work on customer cars. You can watch a video and you can read a book and you can be told how to fix a dent, but you never learn how to fix a dent until you actually fix a dent. And so that's the secret to our success, is we work on people's cars. They have to be able to perform their skills to a level that's acceptable to a customer. For years, we've been predicting that when the baby boom generation retires, there are going to be lots of spots. Well, that's happened. And so any student that wants to go to work usually is employed before they finish the program.